In the last 24 hours, Bitcoin corrected by more than 12% and reached a low of $39,000 where it got a critical support. Now this, for people who are new to cryptocurrency, is a huge shock. But for people who are already there for quite some time, this is very normal for them. So in today's video, we are going to look at what are the key levels of support and resistance for Bitcoin and Ethereum going forward, and whether this is something new that is happening to Bitcoin, or in earlier market cycles we had similar kind of pullbacks. So you definitely don't want to miss this video.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hey guys, this is your host Soham with a very important announcement. Crypto Bulls Club is happy to host our first Ask Me Anything session with CryptoPunt. Make sure you do subscribe and you participate in this Ask Me Anything session and win rewards of up to rupees 22,000. The details of this AMA is given in the description below, and it is scheduled to be hosted on tomorrow at 8:30 p.m. India time. Click the link in the description below and you will find all the details. Now, let's jump onto the video. Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release, and we release new videos every day. Also, if you'd like to discuss about Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, head over to Telegram and join our community on Telegram. The link is given in the description below. We make sure that any question that you ask gets answered either by me or someone else from the community. Also, if you'd like to read about cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin, you can head over to our website cryptobullsclub.com, wherein we post very interesting articles. Also on the website, you can book a crypto consulting session with our experts if you want to discuss about your portfolio or if you have any doubts. Now this would be a paid service. Now let's jump onto the charts. So we are on the Bitcoin US dollar chart, and first of all we have started from the weekly time frame. The simple reason for this is I would like to show you the similarities between this market cycle and the previous market cycles that we had. So if you have to consider about this market cycle, the correction that we had so far from our top of about $65,000 is around 40%. But is this something that is new for Bitcoin? Because for people who are new to the crypto space, this has come as a shock for them, right? They have seen their money almost half in a period of about 4 or 5 weeks. Now, is this something that is new? That's the main question. So for that, what we're going to do is we are going to head over to the previous market cycle that was in 2017-2018. In the previous market cycle, what we can see here is, so we had multiple pullbacks, right? We had multiple pullbacks after going up. So we have almost 5 or 6 pullbacks. But the main focus that I would like to show you here is the magnitude of the pullbacks. For example, this rise that we had in the June of 2017, wherein we reached almost $3,000. From there, we corrected down to about 1,789. That was a correction of 40%. Again, in August of 2017, we made a high of about $5,000, and then we pulled back to about $3,000, actually less than $3,000. This was again a correction of 40%. Apart from this, we had like several corrections of 30%, as you can see along the way. We tested the 21-week EMA multiple number of times in the previous market cycle. But as we have told you in our earlier videos as well, this market cycle is a bit different from the 2017-18 market cycle. But there are a lot of similarities. We have made a video highlighting the similarities between the 2013 and 2021 market cycles. If you haven't watched that video, you can click the icon above my head right now and you can watch it right away. Now let's go to the 2013 market cycle and see how the market actually behaved. As we have mentioned multiple number of times, 2013 had a double peak cycle. So we had one peak of about $266. Yes, $266 was the high for Bitcoin in the week of 8th of April 2013. Then we went into an extended cool off period and then we made a high of about $1,250. Now, this high that we made on the week of 8th April 2013, let's take a quick measurement, after which how much percentage did we correct by. So we corrected all the way down to about $50, and this correction was an 85% correction for Bitcoin. Okay. Now, I'm not saying that we are going to have an 85% correction this time around. There are multiple reasons for the same. The market cap of Bitcoin has moved multiple X's from 2013 to 2021. The pressure from the institutions are also there. So I don't feel that 85% correction is possible. But what I'm trying to highlight over here is these type of corrections keep on happening in the Bitcoin market cycles. Now, after this top, Bitcoin actually cooled off for a period of almost 7 months. So we again reached that high in the week of 4th of November 2013, and that was approximately 7 months. 210 days is about 7 months or so. So from April, we consolidated till November, and in the week of 4th of November 2013, we broke our previous all-time high and we went on to a massive rise. So from the previous all-time high, which was at about $266, we made the market cycle top at 367% higher. So that was a phenomenal rise. Now, as I'm saying that we are not expecting an 85% correction, I would also like to remind you that we are not expecting a similar kind of rise in the Bitcoin value as well. 367% from the previous all-time high, that is $65,000. I don't think so that we are going to reach there. Now, let's take a quick measurement as to see where 85% correction would actually take us today, right? So let's jump onto the charts of the present day. As on today, we have corrected by almost 40%, as we told you earlier also. If we are to correct by 85%, let's see where it takes us. So if we correct by approximately 85%, we will reach the price of about $9,700. Now, I don't think that is possible at this point of time, but you never know. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. These are my personal opinions. You need to do your own research before investing, but from an experience point of view, I don't think so that we will be heading anywhere down to those regions anytime soon. Now, these are some of the similarities and the dissimilarities with the previous market cycles. Now, I would like to show you what are the key levels of support and resistance for Bitcoin in this present market cycle. For that, we'll go to the Bitcoin USD daily chart. So on the Bitcoin USD daily chart, the first thing that I would like to highlight to you here is the FIBZIA. So the FIBZIA is a great band which actually tells us when the price is overextended, and if it's overextended, we can expect a pullback. That is what happened when we crossed over the zones of $60,000. We went right up to 65,000 and a pullback was actually needed. So we actually told our community members that we are expecting a pullback. So if you have not there on our community yet, make sure you join our Telegram channel. The link is given in the description below. Now coming back to this chart. So as we have mentioned earlier, the FIBZIA has these multiple zones. Okay, so the lighter green zone is the topmost zone. The darker green zone provides to be a good buying opportunity for us. If we are able to enter into this zone below the dark green zone, that is the dark yellow zone, that could be again a fantastic buying opportunity. Now, I would like to highlight here, it is very rare that we break below the dark yellow zone in a bull market cycle. So that is something that I would like to highlight here as well. If we are breaking below this yellow zone, then I would be worrying. But as of now, till the time we are above $30,000, I am absolutely fine and I am buying Bitcoin at these levels. Whether you should be buying or not, you should do your own research. Here, we would be highlighting the key levels for you to do your own research. Now let's take a quick look as to where did this bounce happen from. So for that, we'll pull out the moving average and we'll pull out the 200-day moving average. Okay, so as we can see here, right here, the 200-day moving average is at around $39,800 and we corrected, we got a great push right from the levels of $38,000. Okay, so $38,500. So this acted as a strong support for us, at least for today. But I feel that this is gonna hold? Personally speaking, it may or it may not, but the stronger resistance would be at around the levels of 35,958. That is the next level of resistance that I am looking at for the Bitcoin in the short term perspective. Now, from a longer term perspective, what we need to do is we will be going to the Bitcoin USD weekly chart and we'll be finding out. So on the weekly chart, we'll just draw the fib retracement here. So the next level of support for us, if you have to consider the weekly time frame, is at around $37,000. However, the strongest support for us is at $30,870, going below which will raise concerns in me as well. But until we reach $30,000, that will be a correction of approximately 50% or so. So yeah, almost 52% or so. So I would be comfortable going to those zones, and I would be staking up more Bitcoins at those critical levels. Now let's take a quick look onto the Ethereum chart, and we'll try to find out what are the key levels of support and resistance on the Ethereum charts as well. So we are on the Ethereum US dollar daily chart, and in order to find out the key levels of support and resistance, we'll draw the fib retracement. As we can see, we had a strong bounce of the strongest support at $2,878, which is actually a strong resistance, and this is perhaps the strongest resistance for us. But if we break this support, our next support would be at around 2,470 and finally at 1,950. If we go below 1,950, then I would be a little bit concerned, but as of this moment, I am actually piling up on my Ethereum chart. And as we told you earlier as well in our videos, that Ethereum was actually overextended and we were expecting a correction in the Ethereum prices. If you haven't seen that video, why am I concerned about Ethereum, you need to click the icon above my head and you can actually watch the video right away. So this is a great buying opportunity for people who are new and who have actually bought Bitcoin, Ethereum at the higher levels. You can actually average out your cost at these levels. These are great levels, and trust me, I am speaking from an experience. There is absolutely nothing to worry about as far as Bitcoin and Ethereum is concerned. We have corrected by approximately 35%, so I am expecting Ethereum to correct at least by another 5% or so, and then we will see where it goes from there. So that's pretty much it about today's video. If you like the content, please smash the like button on this video, subscribe to our channel, and also, by the way, we made a video on highlighting what are the 3 simple tricks on when you should be buying your Bitcoin. So I will link this video in the description below. This is the perfect time to go and watch for this video, and you will gain a lot of knowledge. Also, make sure you join our Telegram channel if you'd like to discuss about Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other cryptocurrencies. Your questions would get answered over there, and also make sure you visit our website for your day-to-day update from the world of cryptocurrencies. So thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Stay blessed, stay happy. Share this video among your friends, among your network in the crypto space, so that panic that is rising among the people, that could actually be reduced. That is the whole idea of making this video, so that people do not panic in this correction, and these are actually very normal corrections that we are having as of now. So thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Bye bye for now.